Let's play good dog.
Alright, Owen, it was you that said you needed new headphones, right?
Yes. Come on, Doji. Doji. This game's called...
What they do? They bust them up.
Oh my god. Look, I leveled up. I'm doing an even goofier dance. I need 5. Alright,
so ordered car headphones and headphones for school.
My God.
Bought a 2-pack of them.
Oh, what the heck? I'm gonna whip my finger. And he destroy you. Oh my god. What's the story? I played bad cat, now I play good dog, even though my main goal is to blow everything up. Why am I making carrots? I don't know why I'm just making carrots. What? I'm an evil dog. Okay. Break. I want to do that goofy dance. The goofy dance. Go dance.
Practice with Logan. Get him being Hopper or something. I don't know what he would be able to do.
Nothing legally.
Yeah, because he's ours.
There's still, you can't, it is a kitchen. He's underage to be in a kitchen. Here, he can work if he was outside of the kitchen.
But he's not, as long as he doesn't use a knife. I think, yeah, people work in people's kitchen all the time. There's Chinese kids that they're always working in their kitchen.
Doesn't mean they're doing it legally.
It's different when they're your kids.
Yeah,
You
they
bypass
were
a lot.
Yeah, just hours work, and like I actually doesn't need a work permit,
Oh
all
shit, we don't have any.
turkey bacon. Yeah, regular bacon.
Yeah.
Goodbye.